we're going to have here today is the final episode of our 2007-2023 Club Car Precedent Build. I've got the rockers painted from over the weekend. We're going to snap those on. Got a brand new tinted windshield to get on this, and it's pretty much done, except for maybe some accessories in the near future. So let's get rocking on that and take it for a ride. These are the original rockers that came on this, and especially this right side was just too tore up, and I think they're 60 bucks. All right, final piece of trim to snap in under this little molding here. And I just need to find a bolt for this. All right, there's that. Matches pretty good. So just debating what I'm doing here. So over here on Ron, I have this little American flag that I had found. Might do the same thing. I'm also trying to print out maybe a 3D version of our little logo. I got to find a bolt real quick, get that in there, and then this is fully on. So this windshield, I bought it last year, and I didn't love it for some reason, so I put the clear one back on, the old Ron Burgundy over there, but I hung on to this. So we'll give it a try on this. Should be hardware somewhere. I hope. I mean, I have the old hardware, but I'd like to use some new stuff. All right, it would appear that I put a little bit of a different style, so you can put this in first. Oh, that's convenient. It's a factory roof. Why would it not fit? Ow. Guess that's just how it's going to be for this one. Tighten up these screws. No, you weren't seeing what I was doing. So yeah, I'm not sure why this happens, but so this is a little bit different style clamp. Just clamps on. There's no screws on this one. I suppose you could, if it slides around, you could always throw one through, but yeah. And with that, it's pretty much done. Let's pull it outside. So here it is. All done. Fresh and clean. I like it. I love the colors. Those mods wheels look great on the white body. Black seats were the way to go. They look pretty good. I like the lineup, looks good. I'm satisfied with that. My little red handles to match the red motor. Nothing really too custom with the dash. All of that is factory. We do have the custom steering wheel though. So there it is. We'll tool around with it a little bit, see what we're doing with it as far as mile an hour and so forth. It does still need a set of batteries, so that'll be coming up in a future episode. I called around a little bit earlier today, see what we want to do as far as lithium or just sticking with the acid ones that are in it. Keep costs down for whoever ends up buying it. Or maybe make them, not make, but ask them what they'd want. If you're watching, maybe put it down in the comments. What would you rather? Buy it with the need for batteries or a couple options? I could do a lead acid kit, or not kit, it's not a kit, just the regular traditional lead acid ones, or we can get a lithium one. Or sell it as is for a little bit of a lesser price. So, anywho, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.
Oh, and I almost forgot. Lou wants me to remind you, like and subscribe. Talk to you later.